If you are a beginner, don't worry. We're turning English learning into a game. You solve the crossword and find job names. Ready? Let's start our crossword challenge. Number 1. A person who helps students to learn new things. Yes, it's a teacher. The example. My friend is a teacher and he likes his job. Let's go for the next one. This person loves paints, colors, and creativity. They can draw or make beautiful pictures. Who is it? That's right. It's an artist. The example. My brother is an artist and he can paint beautiful landscapes. The next one. Ready? This person flies airplanes and takes people to different countries through the sky. That's right. It's a pilot. And listen to the example. My father is a pilot and he travels to different countries almost every week. Now, number 4. This person helps sick people get better or he keeps them healthy. Of course, it's a doctor. She's a doctor at the city hospital. Let's move to number 5. This person cooks delicious foods in restaurants or hotels. That's right, a chef. The example. My uncle is a chef. His pizza smells amazing in the kitchen. Number 6. A person who designs or builds machine systems or structures. Exactly, an engineer. Let's see the example. My sister is an engineer and she designs bridges for the city. And 7. This person takes care of injured or sick people, usually in a hospital. Well done. A nurse. The nurse gave the patient some medicine and she took his temperature. Let's move on to number 8. This person takes care of kids while their parents are away. Definitely true. A nanny. Here's our example. The nanny takes care of kids after school every day. Number 9. This person helps people with legal problems and represents them in the court. Yes, the lawyer. The lawyer defended her client and won the case. And the last one. This is a special one. It's not in the crossword puzzle. Look at the picture carefully. This person loves the beautiful work of art. He uses brushes or colors. Can you guess the job? Write it in the comment for me below. Great job, everyone. You did amazing today. If you enjoyed the video and you want to keep learning English with fun games like this one, visit my website and you book your first free lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us for more English videos.